Practical application of accounting software. So, this is where exactly we will come to know how to start up with the tally and how to create a company, whether we can edit the company name and so on, how many companies can be created, and also whether we can edit or modify any data which is already been there in the tally software. Okay, so first is your starting tally. So here when we need to start working on tally, we need to click on start, all programs, tally erp icon. Okay, that is tally erp9 icon, or we can directly click on to the tally erp icon when it is being stored on the desktop, right? So this is how, once we click on it, so we have started using the tally. The second part is the creation of a company. That is, when a company is to be created, for example, when you start when you start preparing or start a new company, or when you work for a company using the tally software, in that case we need to create a company information, wherein to create that you click on the company info, create company. So as you see in the picture 10.2, the first screen in tally is going to be like that. And if you are going to create company, your creation of a company picture will be like your 10.3 picture, right? And once you click on create company, you need to update the information like the name of your company, address, what are the books that are going to be created, basic financial details, uh, how much, who all the users who can use these kind of informations, and basic currency information. All these things are to be updated. Okay, so you have required fields there, so based on those fields you have to fill in all the details and click on create or yes. Okay, once you accept, the company will be created in the tally software. Then third one is gateway of tally. So gateway of tally is where once you create the company, whenever you start your tally session, okay, whenever you open your tally session, immediately a screen will be popped up with your list of the companies and so on. So this particular screen is called as gateway of tally. Okay, so once you open this gateway of tally, you will see in your left side the list of companies, okay, which we have created. So if you have created many multiple companies, all the names of the companies will appear there. So whichever company we are going to key in the accounting information, we can select only that particular company. The right side of your screen shows you the um, your details of particular company, like we can have the accounting information, or or your inventory information, any type of transactions, or if any reports are to be taken. So all the details related to the company will appear there. And exactly to the right side you will have your vertical buttons, right? So there you will have your quick, that is, we can even say that as your shortcut. Okay, so when we click on F1, what the select, you can select the company. When you click on the F2, you can get the information about the company. So all such things can be displayed. And if you could see the right side corner of picture 10.4, the dark green part, there these F keys, that is F1, F2, or whatever keys, and with that supporting information will be given in that column. And in the bottom horizontal line or horizontal part of your picture will show the details of the package whatever we are using. If it is like tally erp9, what is the license provided, which version are we using, what is the configuration, and also the calculator. So your gateway of tally is the first screen, uh, where you will get the list of companies which we have created, and also the information related to the companies. Okay, so then the fourth one is closing tally. how to exit tally session. Okay, so how to come out of this tally software. So you can either use escape key, then press enter, or just key in the letter Y, or click yes, or you can simply press Control Q. So this is how we can close the tally session. Then fifth one is select a company. So as I said while teaching the creation of a company part, we can create many number of companies in one particular uh, gateway, right? So in that case, whichever company we need to select, the vertical button bar, as I said, will be in dark green color, right? So there you will have F1 function. From that you can select your company. Okay, so again you will get displayed only those companies which are already been created. And if you want to create, we already know the steps how to create the company.